This wasn't from my area or somewhere else.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Logan County, Kentucky, southwestern Butler County, Kentucky, south central Ohio County, and central Kentucky.
Ohio.
At 3:45 p.m. At 3:18 p.m. severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles south of Weir to near Elkton and 9 miles northeast of Guthrie, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: Kentucky Resonet. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Russellville, Anderson, Lewisburg, Rockport, Rochester, Eastkill, Huntsville, Gordonsville, Spa, and Eppleys. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following county: Ohio, Kentucky,